Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm in a place I've never been before. As you may have seen, the Frisko Freeze. Co-worker told me about it, so I had to come check it out. Man, what an aggravating drive getting here because I don't know Tacoma very well, so anyway. Fries are pretty good. Just your standard. I forgot to see if they had a fry sauce.
Downtown during tour.
So, well, let's get the burger up, but that's what it looks like in the bag. And I got it with lettuce, but they shredded the lettuce, which is not my favorite. So let's rip it out, take a bite. Why is my phone? Good grief. Why? Bombarded with text messages. Anyway. Could have sworn I've asked for the cheeseburger, but Alright, so I think I just ordered the burger without the cheese, which then they shred their lettuce, you add bacon, or I add bacon. They know cheese is kind of interesting, but I guess I'll live. It's not bad. It's kind of greasy though, as you can see. Get back. Well, I have to say, pretty good burger. Even without the cheese on it. I can't believe I forgot to ask for cheese and I forgot to ask for like fry sauce. I was curious to see what kind of sauce I had to offer. If it was a mayo chup that I run into a lot. Alright, well, I recorded a little bit of the menu standing out while I was waiting. So if it turns out kind of okay, I'll roll it in here right now. If it's not, I'll record it from the computer like I usually do. Get to that. Let's see if we can pull this off. We got shakes and malts, sundaes and cold drinks. And we have the prawn basket. So onion rings and fries, and then fish and chips. We got the beef burger, which I'm guessing is just a hamburger, cheeseburger, double cheeseburger, fish wicks, hot dog, corn dog. And yeah, that should be about it. And then I got add bacon for $1, which I did. Looks like the same menu.
61.
Triple meat, double cheeseburger, triple burger. Sweet. And then comes around here. Well, alrighty, there we go. I won't know until I get home and see the footage how the menu looked, but it'll be either or. Probably gonna head home and munch on my fries while I sit in traffic. Wow. Anyway, as always, I do appreciate you watching. Have a great day, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.